Evaluate cos alpha, cos 2 alpha, cos 3 alpha, and up to cos 999 alpha, where alpha is equal to 2 pi by 199, 199. When you look at this question, this is like 999, double of 999 will be 1998, right? So it's like this series can be grouped to give you cos 2, uh, sin 2 form, alpha formula. Sin 2 alpha is 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So okay, let's see. If I have to evaluate this thing, let me write x, this quantity product of this series. So let x is equal to cos alpha, cos 2 alpha, cos 3 alpha, and cos 999. So I take another product y. Y is equal to similar series sin alpha, sin 2 alpha, sin 3 alpha, and up to sin 999. Now I can see this sin alpha cos alpha. When I multiply these two terms together, this will give me sin 2 alpha, this will give me sin 4 alpha, and this term will give me sin 6 alpha, and so on. But I need 2 here, so I'll multiply 2, 2, 2, 2, 999 times 2. So this will mean first xy is equal to, if I write here, multiply by 2 to power 999, okay, and 1 2 with each pair, and I get this term as sin 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha, this term I get as sin 4 alpha, this term I get sin 6 alpha, and I'll keep going up to double of 999, that is sin 1998. Now if I look at this series, somewhere in between will come the term 998, because 6 alpha, 8 alpha, so alpha. So let me write it a little bit. 2 to power 999 xy is equal to, so this is sin 2 alpha, sin 4 alpha, and go up to sin of 998 alpha, and then next will be actually sin 99 alpha, because 998 alpha, and next term will be sin, yes, fine, next term will be sin 1000 alpha, sin, because we are getting even numbers, so it will be sin 1000 alpha, and next term sin 1002 alpha, sin 1002 alpha, and keep going up to, which was the last term, 1998, and this sin 19. Now what I'm going to do is I'll keep these terms as they are to 998, and these terms I will change using an identity which says, so the purpose here is to get these terms somewhere here, and so that I could get y, this 2 to power 999 xy will be equal to y. From there I can calculate what is it, right? So I will keep this part as it is, and here I can write sine of 1000 alpha can be written as, because we know an identity. What is that identity? Should I write it here? Okay, I know sine 2 pi minus theta. Sine 2 pi minus theta will be minus sine theta. Okay, I will use this identity, and now sine 2 pi minus 1000, this thing can be written as sine 2 pi minus 1000 alpha. And this term sine 2 pi minus 1002 alpha, and so on. The last term will be sine 2 pi minus 199.8 alpha, right? So this is the product. Now can I write, okay, this further, 2 to power 999, 2 to power 999 xy is equal to this thing as it is. So let me write this part as it is. Now can I take put the value of alpha in here and take 2 pi common, because alpha was 2 pi by 199. So this part I'm writing here, this part become sine 2 pi minus 1000. In place of alpha I'm writing 2 pi by 199, okay, and this, but this is negative, so with negative sign. Actually there are even number of terms, we can cross out those negative signs, so this will become positive. Here we have even number of terms, you see 1000 to 1998, so even number of terms. Now next term will become minus of this thing, minus of sine 2 pi minus 1002, 1002, alpha was 2 pi by 199, 1999, 1999, sorry. So this is this, and so on. And then the last term I'm writing, which will become sine 2 pi minus, this was 1998, and alpha is 2 pi by 1999, this thing, and this is also negative. Since they are even number of terms, so I will cancel out this negative sign. So this thing becomes now 2 to power 999 xy is equal to, should I write this double comma? I think you understand this. Double comma means this line will follow there, and after that you have this thing. If I take 2 pi common here, what do I get? Minus sign I am crossing out because of even number of terms, and this term becomes sine of 2 pi common, and what is the LCM inside? 1 minus 1000 by 199, so this become 999 by 1000, no, 199, 1999, right, 990 by 9. Now 2 pi by 199 was alpha, so this thing can be written as 999 alpha into, same way you take the 2 pi common here, so it becomes sine 2 pi, and inside 1 minus 1002, and when you take the LCM and solve this, this becomes 2 pi 1 minus 1002 by 1999 will be 997 divided by 1999, and so on. Sorry, this is not plus, dotted. Okay, so this thing is, this will go on dotted up to the last term becomes, you see, 1999 minus 199. So you take sine 2 pi common, 1 minus this thing, 1998 by 1999, so they could become 1 by 1999, which is 2 pi by 1999, which is alpha. So what do I observe here? I observe that the 2 to power 999 xy becomes this double comma means sine 2 alpha, sine 4 alpha, and so on, and this thing becomes, see, if this part is alpha, this becomes sine 99 alpha, 999 alpha, this becomes sine of 997 alpha, and it goes up to sine alpha. Now look carefully, So what has become? This implies 2 to power 999 xy is equal to the quantity this 2 alpha, 4 alpha, 6 alpha up to 998 alpha, and then alpha, 2 alpha, 3 alpha, 997, 999 alpha. So actually it is coming together. It's coming sine alpha, sine 2 alpha, sine 3 alpha, and it means sine 999 alpha. What was this? This was y. So we got the answer. Finally, we can write it. 2 to power 999 xy is equal to y. This y should go. So we were interested in x. So it comes 1 by 2 to power 999. Okay.